Good afternoon, class 57. We are going to have our Wednesday's class today. So first, please take out your student book, Unit 7, Lesson 3, and also your workbook. Please go to your Lesson 7 for your workbook now. Okay. The reason we want to have lesson 7 because we need to check our workbook answer. Now, let the teacher show you the workbook. Okay. Before we go to the class, how's everybody today? Very hot. Okay. Stay cool. All right. So if you study our student book, the songs, I didn't do the song because you can just listen from a CD. All right. So if you read this song, you can do my workbook here. Okay. So let's say the answer together. Okay. So the first one is given. Who is the person? Read the song, the student, come and play. Who is the person? He's I. He goes I. So I sometimes play computer games. Okay, number 2. What is it? Ride a bike. I always ride a bike. Number 3. I sometimes 要加一个 s. I sometimes watch a DVD. Okay, did I miss 5? Okay, fly a kite. I sometimes fly a kite. Snorkel in the sea. I sometimes snorkel in the sea. Read a book. I sometimes read a book. Alright. I sometimes read a book and then play my new computer game. Did I play the computer game? Read a book, play my new guitar. Not computer game. Play my new guitar. Okay, how often do you shop? I never shop and I never cook. Okay, and surf the internet? I sometimes surf the internet. And I watch TV? Do you watch TV? I sometimes watch TV. And I always have a lot of fun. 什么是 have a lot of fun? 就是 always enjoy yourself. 玩得很开心. So if this is in our class, 如果我们在上课，我就会请你问你的朋友说，他的答案是什么 ？For example, Alice will go to Bella, and teacher 就会给你一个句子叫，我就会给你一个句子。Let's see, let's have a new one. Okay. So 我就会说 ，How often do you do this? Okay. So let's make it bigger. How often do you do this? Okay. 所以 Bella 就会说 So first question, how often do you ride a bike? I always ride a bike. Okay, 我就会请你去问你的同学 this questions. And this question is how often? 跟我念一次 How often? How often? Okay, good. Now let's go back to our student book now. Okay, 我们要来先做 reading， 因为 reading 的时间比较长，所以 let's see， 我们的 reading. Let's go to our reading skill time. Okay, so today we're going to do 4, 5, 6. But now teacher is going to do lesson 5. Okay, so let's read this. Let's read these words together. Okay, play. 这个 play 不是动词啊，这个 play 是什么？ 这 play 是话剧 ，OK， 话剧 ，Alright。So, do you like a play? Do you like a play? 例如说什么？莎士比亚，you don't know, right? I don't know. 乔湖岛，you can have a play. You go to the play. You watch a play. OK， 那你在哪里？Where do you watch a play? You need to go to number 2. You need to go to a theater. Everybody, 不是 movie theater， 是 theater. OK, next one, concert. Concert. 我的书很黑啊，你的书因为它的影像本来就很黑。OK, concert 演唱会 concert. OK, actor. Actor. 演员啊，你最喜欢 Who is your favorite actor？ 你最喜欢的演员是谁 ？Alright, movie, movie. What is your favorite movie? Movie. Singer, singer. Who is your favorite singer? Okay, so let's read it one more time. Go, play, play. Theater, theater. Concert, concert. Actor, actor, movie, movie, singer, singer. Okay, difficult words, but you have to know. Okay, 好。Now, this book, this is going to talk about Monsters University, 怪兽大学，一个电影，很久以前了。So I don't know, have you ever watched it? 你有没有看过 ？OK， 所以我们来学几个字来。Monster University， 这是它的电影的名字，叫做 Monsters University。因为这些怪兽呢，他们呢去上大学了。那他们的大学它叫做 Monsters University。It's a comedy， 所以我们来看一下 comedy，C-O-M-E。D-Y 叫做什么？喜剧，喜剧片 ，OK， 好笑的片I think Bruce will like it, right？ 喜剧片。So Monster University is a movie by Pixar， 它是一个专门做动漫的公司。Very good. They are very good. Make a lot of movies. 动漫的 movies, and now you can watch it on DVD. Okay, the character. 好，我们来看一下，再念一次，来 character, ch character. OK， 所以加了一个，他帮我们加了一个 s. OK， 所以我们用没有加 s. Go ch 在这里面什么？ ch 念克的音 ，OK？ Characters. The characters in Monsters University are funny monsters. 好笑的 monster. They are 3D computer animation. 什么叫 3D？ 就是 3D 大家应该知道吧 ？OK？ 那它这个是 animation。3次元就是立体的 ，OK？So animation 就是本来是卡通影片，可是它变成那些卡通影片好像会动，我们就叫做 animation。你看的现在的卡通影片都是 animations，OK？But real characters, real actors play their voices。真正的演员。他们呢，演他们的就是 play their voices， 所以是动漫的角色，但是有演员来演他们的这个角色 ，right？ So voice， 再来是 V-O-I-C-E voices. You have voices. Teacher have voices. Voices. Okay. All right. In the movie, Mike is a 6-year-old monster. He lives in a monster world. 他住在 什么 monster， 它住在怪兽的世界 ，OK？The monster world， 这应该是第二集，第一集是那个女生找到那个 monster， 在他们家的 closet， 在她的柜子里面，衣橱里面。Okay, so one day he visits a company called Monsters Inc. Lots of monsters work there. 很多 monster 在那个公司叫做 Monsters Inc. OK，company 就是例如说你家人在公司上班，那这个就叫做公司，就是叫做 company。OK。公司，不见了 ，OK， 好，那现在，Now, so he went to the Monster Inc. 然后他看到很多 monsters 在那边工作。Okay, so the monsters sell the human. 我的花图在哪里？在这边。The monster visit the human world at night. 白天工作，晚上去找 human。human 是什么 ？human 就是 HUMA。human 就是什么？人类 human。HUMAN humans 人类 right？ 对，写一下。对，super slow。OK， 白天上班，晚上呢，他们到 human world at night。They scare 他们的任务是什么？到 human world, they scare children and they use the children's screams to make energy。所以小孩子尖叫，然后就会给 monster energy 就是能量。So 我吓到你，吓到 Bruce go 啊 ，and then you have energy. Mike wants to be a scary monster when he grows up. When Mike is a teenager, teenager， 他是青少年的时候 ，OK。打中文都往上跑。青少年的时候，当他是青少年的时候呢 ，So what happened？ 在这里。He goes to Monster University to learn how to be scary. 所以他去上学就是要去学怎么样吓人，叫 how to be scary. He meets Sally, but they are not friends at first. OK， 第一次他遇到一个朋友叫 Sally. Sally is very good at scaring people, but mine is not very scary at all. 一点都不叫 not at all. I am not shy at all. I'm not angry. 我一点都没有生气。Teacher Jennifer 看起来生气。Oh no, I'm not angry at all. 我都是假的，哈哈哈。One day, Mike and Sally go to the human world. They can't get back. 他们晚上要去 scare children， 然后下完了要再回去。那回不了啦 ，So what do? They work together and finally go home to the monster world. Now Mike and Sally are friends. So 刚开始他们不是 friends， 但是因为这一个意外事件，他们变成 friends. They get jobs at Monsters Inc. 记住吗 ？Monster Inc. 就是那个公司。And they have fun working together. 他们工作是什么？吓人，对不对 ？Alright. Monsters University is very fun. 这部电影叫做 Monsters University is very fun. And the actors' voices are fantastic. 同学，我们今天来学这个字，very fantastic.